Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make yummy chicken tikka. But before I proceed, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It's simple and easy recipe. For this I need boneless chicken. I'm going to use almost 500 grams of boneless chicken. I'm going to use vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons. I'm also going to use ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of hunk yogurt, fresh yogurt, lemon juice, 1 big lemon juice. If you have small, take 2. Garam masala powder, tandoori masala powder. I'm going to use Kashmiri red chili powder. I'm going to use, and I'm also going to use salt to taste. Now first thing we will do is we are going to mix all my dry ingredients in oil, in that 2 tablespoons of oil, and give a nice mix so that it will leave color. We don't need any artificial color for this recipe. Just mix it really well and keep it aside. Meanwhile, I will marinate my chicken with fresh lemon juice and keep it for at least 15 minutes. Then I will remove and add your yogurt, whole cup of yogurt. I have beaten that yogurt up. Just add up your yogurt and then start adding all your spices. So the mixed spices mixture, you just keep add it on. So just mix it up and add it up and mix it really well. You can see that started giving you nice color to it. Now you can either keep it overnight or you can keep it at least for 1 hour or at least half an hour. That's the minimum you can do it. Now I'm going to add my ginger garlic paste, at least 2 teaspoons, and give a nice mix, give a nice massage to your chicken, and put a flank and keep it in the refrigerator for at least half an hour. Now this chicken can be used in your gravy, it can be used as a barbecue, it can be used as a grill, or it can be used as a starter. It's really quick and yummy. I have heated my grill pan with a little bit of oil. Meanwhile the pan is getting hot, I'm going to put all my chicken in a stick, and look at that, one by one I'm going to start putting up in a stick because I'm going to serve it as a starter. Yeah, so just put it in a stick to give a nice look to it, and then this is how many it turn up. Look at that, just perfect. Now I'm going to start adding my chicken to my pan. It's sizzling, it's really nice. I can hear the sizzling sound. My pan is really hot. Make sure that your flame is high. Yeah, don't leave it on a very low flame because that will leave water. We'll keep the flame high because chicken is already marinated, so it will be yum. Look at that. It is turning up to be yummy. It's perfect. It's good for a small family or just a beginning of a starter. You can just serve it, and kids love to eat this. And you can serve it. Now what I'm doing is I'm adding some butter on top to give a nice smell to it. So just brush it up, a little bit of butter, melted butter, and then again turn it back. Yeah, look at that. It's almost ready. Now, if you don't like overcooked, don't overcook it. We like a little bit of red. If you like a little less cooked, it's okay. You can turn it quick. It's completely ready. It's delicious. I hope you like my recipe. You can simply eat with bread, onion, mint chutney, or with a naan, or just a starter. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my recipe. Please do like and subscribe for more recipes. Thank you. Bye bye.